Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore 6 different methods to type the serial number in Excel. Let's get started. First method using autofill. Start by entering the first number in the column like 1 and then enter the second number directly below it. Select both cells. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner until you see the fill handle and drag it down the column. Excel will fill in the rest of the serial numbers for you. Second method using row function. So enter the formula in the first cell of the column where you want your serial number, that is equal to row in the bracket A1. Press enter and then drag the fill handle down the column to copy the formula to other cells. Method 3, it's using sequence function. So in the first cell you will be entering the formula equal to sequence, and in the bracket you will be typing the desired number of rows that you want. Here I want 18, so I will be writing 18. So it will generate numbers 1 to 18 in the selected column. In method 4, enter 1 in the first column. Go to the second column and enter the formula equal to A5 plus 1. Press enter, then go to the second column and then drag it down. The numbers will be generated automatically. Method 5 is Alt HFIS. This will allow you to quickly access the series option in Excel. So select the cell, type 1 and then type Alt HFIS from the keyboard. Choose column and enter the stop value. Click on OK. And Excel will fill the series. Method 6, using fill handle with drag and drop. Enter the first number in the column. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner until you see a fill handle. Hold down the control key and drag the fill handle down the column. Release your mouse but not the control key. Excel will fill the series sequentially. Like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.